How to fix WhatsApp lagging issues on iPhone. If WhatsApp is lagging or freezing on your iPhone, then here are proven fixes to get it running smoothly again. First of all you have to do is restart your iPhone. A simple reboot can clear up temporary glitches, so simply restart it and turn it back on and try WhatsApp again. Now, once you are back to the home screen, all you have to do is look for the App Store and simply tap on it. Then once inside the App Store, in the search address bar, tap on it. Then simply type down WhatsApp. From the list of the app, tap on the WhatsApp, and there you will get to see update icon available. Tap on the update and update it to the latest version. Outdated versions may cause lag or crashes. Now once updated, simply go back to the home screen again. Once you are in the home screen, look for the settings app and simply tap on it. Now, once you're inside the settings app, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the general option available in there. Inside general, scroll down and tap on the iPhone storage. If your storage is almost full, it can cause apps including WhatsApp to lag or freeze. Then in iPhone storage, scroll down and look for the WhatsApp app as well. Then tap on the upload app and confirm the upload. If your iPhone is older than iPhone 6, 6S or SE first generation, WhatsApp might lag due to hardware limitations or WhatsApp dropping support for older iOS versions. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.